Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting Ostrich on the Run. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching this one or many others that are available to them, or learning more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a bunch of additional benefits that you can use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. That's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a fun, colorful, large bird, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.